Okay, so here's the deal. This place needs to be tidied, but first I need to make a plan. I want to turn this room into like an office slash studio slash filming space. So I was thinking section this garage off. Garage is like, it's like an outhouse granny flat thing. We're going to section it off halfway. So there's the doors here. Then we have all of this and all of this. The wall will kind of come here up to the door. So we're going to have like half a wall and then do a thing. So these boxes have to go. There's some boxes over there that have to go. All of that has to be tidied away. There's sofas here that needs to disappear. Supposed to spin. Wait, oh no, it's dead. Is it dead? I mean, it's not a surprise. Okay, my cronies, so the task for today is to clear out this whole space and then start taking out the floorboards. So that's gonna happen. I'm gonna try and find space for it. We've already moved one cupboard outside, so I'm gonna move these two cupboards up onto that cupboard and then we'll go from there. Okay, quick update on what's happened in the space. We've basically emptied everything, you can hear the echo. The thing tomorrow will be take apart my desk. There's a shelf in here that I need to take out and then cover. So that will happen. And then we might possibly start taking out the floor. We need to get rid of the skirting board or baseboard. My dad said he's just screwed in the baseboards or skirting board. So I'm going around looking for screws. There are these bits where there's like extra paint. So I found one screw. Hold on, we have a bent hammer. This might work. Oh yeah. I basically want to get it down as far as possible. Done it wrong, but I broke the board. So like that's progress, right? I don't think you understand how long I've been waiting to tear this whole place down. I'm clearly doing this wrong. So I don't know if you can see that. There's like a gap between the floor and the skirting board. We're told it's because the floor's settled. Meaning that there's basically like a gap all around. It's mainly on this side where it's sunk. Bit there, that line, that's a gap. Okay then, I've taken off two sides. It's great. I would like a medal. I have a feeling that this one is going to be satisfying to take out because it runs along the length of the garage. There are still some things in the way. I should have moved everything and cleared the whole space and then started doing this, but like I'm an eager beaver. One big piece of wood. Interesting. Well, I guess I can just take off the floor. Okay, so I've had the ingenious idea of cutting all of this wood up, putting it in a box, and then instead of hiring a skip, we can just take it to the dump. But for now, we can store it in a box. Let me go get my tool. Okay, so now I'm back with my goggles. I'm feeling cool. I feel like Bill Gates if he was a builder. So yeah, I have my handy dandy saw. That was unnecessary work. I think my dad was correct, and that we'll just stuff these in the car, throw them in the bin. Okay, here's the situation on the renovation. We've taken out the floors, we've taken out the skirting board, the spaces are empty. So now we just need to move to putting on a new floor, putting in the wall, putting in the doors, and that's basically it. Progress has currently halted because we found a crack on the back wall. Don't know what that means. The builder will say something and then something will be done. But in the meantime, we try to win Oscars. Make sure to like and subscribe and switch on notifications because, I mean, it's free, and I'll see you in the next video.